How to know if someone has blocked you on Signal. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can know if someone has blocked you on Signal. First of all, make sure you have installed the latest version of this application on your device. Go to the Google Play Store. On the top search bar, what you need to do is simply search for the Signal application. Now when you tap for the Signal application, you will see this very application right here. Now just tap on the install button and install it. Now when you install and try to send the messages to the person, then if it does not show this very two messages while you sent the message, then you can be sure that the person has blocked you. Sometimes maybe it is showing that because they are not online, but if this message icon, the two double tick, is not shown anytime, then the person has blocked you. And when you try to call them, then they won't receive the call would not be ringing, then that's also a sign of being blocked. And you can also not actually send any kind of videos, call them, or do anything with them if they have blocked you. So that's how you can know the person has blocked you on Signal. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.